before we install Python in Windows. Guys can check ya. Check a command prompt. Guys, just type in this search cmd yeah. This appears command prompt, like this. Friends can type in there. Just type it like this. If it appears like this, Python is not installed. Other than using command prompt, you can also use PowerShell. Type in search, PowerShell. This one, yeah. Well, here. Same, just type it in like this. Well, like that if it appears like this, it is not installed Python. Let's install the Python. The way that friends just open. Browser friends, for example Chrome, must be connected to the internet, yeah. Okay, let's just type it here. Python, yeah. Well, this is the top Python. Choose this one, yeah, the top line, python.org. Here in this download section, just click. This is a lot of releases, guys, yeah? I just click download to make it easy. Here instantly appear like this download Python. At the time of this video I'm making. That Python is the 3.131 version. That's it, I just click this. We wait for the process. Download it, my friends. Well, this has been successfully downloaded, yeah. I click, then here I just double click. I will do the installation, you guys, yeah. I click RU. Okay. We wait for the process to finish. Well, here it appears. For Python to create a path. In our Windows directly, this is checked. Do not install now. But this is checked, just select install now. We wait for the installation process. When it comes up like this, this is already working. It's installation. Yes, I'm just close. Well, now we try to check whether it has worked or not. Use command prompt. Then I type it like this. Well, here it has appeared, yeah. Have already succeeded. If at PowerShell, let's check, yeah. Well, same appeared as in the command prompt. Let's try to make a file. I want to create a folder. I created a folder. I have made this. In Python, yeah. I repeat, so my friends can follow. Right-click in the folder. And I put it on the drive. Yeah, it's up anywhere. I put it on drive. On disk, then I right-click new. Then folder. I created it in Python. P, it's capital letter, and yeah. Inside of this Python folder, I give you a file. I right-click, select new, then select document text. I deleted the text. I deleted this. I'll replace the py. I made the file name test1.py. Click yes. Well, like that. If this extension has not appeared, friends can go to this tab view. Then friends can check file name extensio. If remove the tick, the extension doesn't appear. If we check this file name extensio, then the extensions can show. I'll just open it. I just used a simple one. I use a notepad. I right-click. I choose Open with then me. Just use notepad. I repeat, right-click. Open with. Well, like that. I type a simple script like this. Like that. Then we save. Save or press Ctrl+S. Already stored. I'll try to test in command from. We have to get to the disk first, that is disky. Then type it like this. Go to the folder, then type the file name test1.py, then enter. Succeeded, yeah. If you want to add, for example, we add this. We just copy. I copied as many. So 3 in total. We run again here. So that the previous order. An arrow pops up, top yeah on the keyboard, yeah. Up arrow on the keyboard, then enter. Oh, this has not been saved. Should we save? Yeah, save file. Okay, I repeat. Arrow up, enter. Well, there are 3. Yeah, there are 3. Well, how about using a PowerShell? He can't direct, yes, we type. Let's try, yeah, test1.py. Do you want to? Error, yes, we have to. Say the name. What the programming is. I use Python. I mentioned Python first. Spatie, test1.py. Enter. Oh. We go in first. Sorry to the directory. It's edisk. Then we tried using the first one earlier, test1.py. Error, yeah. It is already in the Python folder. We try to use. Programming name is Python. We make it like that. Test1.py. Well, just made it. The difference with command from that. If command from does not need to mention. Programming name, for example, Python. No need. Just go ahead. File name. For sure we have to get into disk first. Then to the folder, where our files we store. Then we say the name of the file. But if it's in PowerShell, no. We should mention first. Programming name is Python. Our file name. For sure we have to get into his disk that I store on Disky. Then I also have to go inside a folder, because I put it in a folder. That's what stages look like, guys. For our early video. It's about Python. I hope this video was helpful. Continue to support channel Pelita Media by subscribing and turn the bell so to get updated videos. Our newest